Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Avinash here. And so today's video is about an unboxing, and yeah, this is the first unboxing on my channel. And we are today saying goodbye to Seiki videos. As you can see, I have a gimbal which I just ordered. And yeah guys, let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, I have already unboxed it, but yeah, I want to show you guys on like whatever things that comes packed in this box. So yeah, there is no camera included with this box, and it has the gimbal and many other accessories to use with the gimbal. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, that was a beautiful box. And yeah, so yeah guys, as you can see, it comes with these small charging adapters. And yeah, this is the adapter which connects from your gimbal to the GoPro 5 and 6. And yeah, GoPro has released a new one, the GoPro Hero, so maybe that one also supports this one. And then there is this which supports the GoPro Hero 3 and 4. So yeah, these adapters can help you charge your GoPro while you are using the gimbal. And then there's the battery, like a 3000 mAh Feiyutech battery, which like gives you 8 hours of power to your gimbal. And also I think if you charge your GoPro with it, it will be working for like 3-4 hours. So yeah, there's the battery. Then you get the charging cable for your gimbal. So this is the old one, charging cable which used to come with the Android, and you can connect it to any USB adapters to charge it up. And yeah, there are some screws. So these are the small screws which you need to connect with your gimbal to like hold the camera still. So I'll show you guys the other one which is used with the Hero 5, which is already connected to the gimbal. And yeah, that's it. And you get this cover for your gimbal, like to carry it around. It's a good cloth cover. So yeah, let's open it up and let's see the gimbal now. As you can see, the gimbal is packed inside, and yeah, one of the weights which is this also comes detached with the gimbal, but I have attached it because I use a GoPro 5 I've kept there, which I will be setting it up. So yeah, this is the gimbal, and these are the controls. Like this is the joystick, and then there's the mode button or power on button, and then there's the rotate button. To charge your gimbal, you need to use this port, like you'll be connecting your charger here. And then there is again the hold button. Like there are two modes to this gimbal, one follow mode and one is hold. Like if you are using follow mode and want to like change it immediately to hold mode, you can just hold this button behind the handle and it works. To connect your GoPro charger to this, you can use this port available here, which connects the USB, and then the other port goes towards the GoPro, which can help it charge. As you can see, the build quality is also good because it's built of metal, and yeah, it's also splash proof, which you won't see in many of the gimbals out there. So yeah, let's connect the GoPro to this. So to connect the GoPro, it's really easy. You need to hold it like this, and then just insert the GoPro here. Okay, so you need to connect your GoPro like this, and it will go inside. Then these are the long screws which we had, and we are now connecting the GoPro. As you can see, the GoPro won't come out as we have already screwed it up. The LCD of my GoPro is gone, but yeah. So yeah, let's see how this works. And yeah, we need to put the battery also in the gimbal, and it's quite easy to put the battery. Like you just need to insert this one here. I hope this has charge. And that's it. So to switch this on, you just need to long press the mode button. And as you can see, the GoPro has already taken its position to start recording. And yeah, there will be a blue light blinking which tells you that the gimbal is on and stuff. Then you just need to like press the power button on your GoPro, and it will start recording. So that's it on how to set up your GoPro here, and yeah, let's try to use the other modes on this camera. The mode which is selected is the follow mode. As you can see, wherever I move the gimbal, the GoPro also changes the position. But yeah, if I hold the back button, which is the hold button, it will stay still and won't change any direction. Like the gimbal changes the direction, but the GoPro stays in the same position. But yeah, as you can see, if I leave it, it starts rotating the GoPro. And yeah, if I press the mode button again, it activates the lock mode, where you don't have to press the back button to hold it. Then one thing that I didn't like about the gimbal was that you can access the quick start mode on your GoPro, but the menu button is hidden inside here. Like, you won't be able to access that when you are recording. Maybe because the GoPro 4 and 3 used to have the setup button here, and that's why they have built this. I don't think there is much design change after the GoPro 5 was released. And yeah guys, if you want to use the follow mode for like a selfie position, you can just press the rotate button here, the last button, and your GoPro is converted to the selfie mode, where you can see that it can record whatever you are saying. So it's also a good gimbal for like vlogging, but you have to like hold the rotate button till you are speaking to the camera, or it will rotate to its default position. And yeah, that was it for the gimbal, all the settings and all which you can use. And yeah guys, that was the review of the gimbal. Now let's test it out outside, how this works. Recently I went to a trip and was like using this gimbal for the first time, and it like really performed well. So I have some footages like walking around, running, and then driving a cycle, and also from the bus, which I'll be showing you guys next. And yeah guys, this is the walk uphill test. So let's see how the gimbal does here. Yeah guys, that was the 360 turn you can do with the gimbal. Like using the joystick, you can turn it around. And yeah guys, this is the walking downhill test. So let's get started. This is the selfie mode test, where I'll be talking to the camera, and as you can see, it's like really stable as I'm also walking around. And yeah guys, this is the cycle ride test, and as you can see, even though I'm riding, the footage is really beautiful. So yeah, for like half the price of a Karma grip, this gimbal is doing an awesome job. Woo. And yeah, I'm loving to use it. Like, bye bye to shaky footages, and welcome to beautiful cinematic footage. So yeah, let's get back to our ride. Whoop, that was smooth. So yeah, that was the unboxing and how to set up your GoPro, and how to use the different modes and the ports available on your gimbal. Now let's see how the app works with this gimbal. And yeah guys, it was quite easy to like connect the gimbal to my phone, and as you can see, this is the Feiyutech app, where you can use the mobile app to control the direction of the gimbal. As you can see, I am not doing anything on the gimbal, and I can just control the different direction of the gimbal out here. So yeah, I think this will be helpful if you are like taking some time lapses and you want to like change the direction and stuff out there. And there are some more settings out there where you can choose to like all the follow, course to follow, and the lock button, which are the modes which are available on the gimbal itself. As you can see, it's now in the lock mode, and if I want to change the mode here to course to follow, it will, if I change the course to follow mode, it will follow as I change the direction on my phone. And yeah, that was a quick 25 MB app to help you like control your gimbal from the phone. And yeah, this is also an awesome feature which you get with the gimbal. So yeah, that was kind of a review of the gimbal. And yeah guys, that was the unboxing and all the features that the G5 Feiyutech gimbal has. And yeah, you can use it for like the GoPro Hero 4, 5, 6. And yeah, if you like the video, do not forget to hit that like button. And yeah, if you're already using this gimbal, put some tips down in the comments which can help me to use this gimbal more better. And yeah, if you like the video, hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.